All right, we got a power supply swap. Dead power supply came in. Tested it at the front counter. I'll show you guys back here. And with our tester on, instantly. So, she wants to do a little bit of, she needs it quick. So let's get it out, get it replaced. Cut some stuff from the back. I'm gonna turn my compressor on. Hey, thanks for checking out this video. If you like these videos, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It really, really helps the channel. While we have this apart, we're gonna blow it out. Because this thing is dusty. Alright, so there's before. We'll be right back. Alright. Out of the wrappings. Into place. Plug it in, turn it on, make sure it works. Okay, without plugging anything else in, see if we have power. All right. There we go. Let's do some zip ties and then this is done. Cable bouncing into the fans. Hey, thanks for watching that video. If you liked that video, make sure you hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I stream daily on Twitch at twitch.tv/SpecVengeance. And yeah, if you want to learn more about my services, check out Bradenton PC Repair.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.